चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
The true picture. So it's PDP now after the NC, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party also question the exit polls. It's the PDP, the spokesperson of the party, Aditya Gupta, who has again cast aspersions on exit poll data. Let's listen in to that reaction that's coming in from the PDP spokesperson.
एग्जिट पोल्स में भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए को स्पष्ट बहुमत मिल रहा है। 364 सीटें एनडीए को एग्जिट पोल्स दिखा रहे हैं, वहीं इंडिया ब्लॉक को जो है 139 सीटें मिल रही हैं। बात करने के लिए पीडीपी के प्रवक्ता हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं।
It is not the
Prime Minister Modi holding that strategy meeting to tell our viewers earlier the Prime Minister had even chalked out a 100-day action plan, and as we speak it's a key meeting that is being chaired by the Prime Minister. So yes, just 2 days to go for the results to be announced. The exit polls predict that it is going to be a clean sweep for the NDA. The NDA, as we see, already in a huddle mode, and a 100-day action plan has already been chalked out by the BJP top brass and led by Prime Minister Modi. So these are inside visuals of the key strategy meeting that is taking place as we speak. Earlier, a 100-day action plan was also put out by the BJP top brass that is powered by the Prime Minister, of course. And as we speak, this is the meeting that is being chaired. So 7 meetings, as we understand, on slew of issues, which includes a long brainstorming session to review the 100-day agenda of the new government to be sworn in after the Lok Sabha results. So yes, this is the 100-day action plan that we were telling you about. Exit polls have predicted a massive sweep for the BJP-led NDA alliance, with Modi set to retain power for 3rd consecutive term. The Lok Sabha results note will be out in 48 hours from now. So these are meetings, back-to-back meetings that are being chaired, 7 in total, of which is a part of 100-day action plan of BJP NDA alliance. We also understand sources
coming in right now. We're getting those visuals, Samiksha, for our viewers. 100-day agenda of the new government. This has been in the plan for quite a while now. The meetings which are happening and the 100-day agenda has been something which has been happening for the past 1 or 2 months. The entire planning for these meetings are happening. PM Modi has a very, very busy Sunday today, just 2 days ahead of result day. What we see right now is that PM Modi is holding back-to-back meetings. At least 7 meetings will be held today itself. He's chairing these meetings to review the aftermath of several issues. Cyclone Remal, especially in the north-east region hit by natural disasters. Chairing the meeting to review the heat wave, which is spreading all across India, and also preparations to celebrate the World Environment Day, which falls on June 5th at a large scale. These meetings and the exercise for these meetings had begun much before the Lok Sabha elections. We are seeing that PM Modi has spoken to the officials and told them to prepare a 100-day agenda and set in motion the exercises. So the moment that the NDA forms the government once more, they had something ready, they had the plan ready, so they could hit the ground running. Now, those visuals coming in on Republic TV of the Prime Minister holding those meetings, we have seen that PM Modi has also asked the Council of Ministers to prioritize programs and initiatives for the first 100 days. So the entire plan is to hit the ground running, Samiksha, the moment that the new government is formed.